Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about a new unit. It is called What Are Farm Animals Like? In this unit, we are going to learn about new farm animals. So let's take a look at them and see what they have. This is a chicken. Can you say it? Good job. A chicken has feathers. This is a cow. You say it. Good. A cow has 4 legs, a tail, and udders. This is a duck. Your turn. Good. A duck has long feathers, a beak, and 2 flippers for legs. This is a goat. You say it. A goat has horns, a small tail, and 4 legs. This is a goose. You say it. A goose has feathers and 2 legs and a beak. Baby goslings don't have feathers yet, they just have down. This is a horse. You say it. A horse has hair and fur. A horse has 4 legs and a long tail. This is a pig. You say it. A pig has big ears. Its nose is called a snout. It has 4 legs, and you can't see it on this one, but over here you can see it has a tiny little tail that goes around in a spiral. This is a sheep. You say it. Good. A sheep has wool. It is kind of like hair and fur, but it is really thick. It has 4 legs and a small tail. Excellent. Now that you have seen these different animals, let's see if you can identify some. Click on the next link and see if you can tell which animals are which.